Hi everybody, it's 11 o'clock morning here. Sun is so hot. We're here at the Valladolid Car, so we're gonna try to catch fish. There are tiny fishes here. We can see some tiny fishes. Hi Guapo, wave.
Hi. We left at 11. It's about 1 o'clock now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, wrong number.
Yeah.
There's an ocean there.
Tide, so we have seawater up here.
We didn't bring our swimsuit, so we can't walk there farther. Hi Momo. Kuya Mo,
Hi.
say hi.
Hi.
Hi fans.
Hi, Ten.
Did you get some fish?
No.
Lots of mangrove trees here. It's nice, even if it's sunny, at least it's windy here, so that's good.
The little fish come out to check out the little lure,
Yeah.
and then they run away.
Yep.
We're hoping
It is after your lure.
the little ones are, yeah.
Yep.
They're curious. We're waiting for the bigger fish to come out from underneath the brush.
The
here.
mangroves. These are mangrove trees. I see like medium size.
There's some fish here that look like the bass from the USA, but they're straight. They have a different color scheme on them.
Oh, na-stuck sa dahon. Upo nita. Lakwa dito ka. Duol raman na. Di ako'y gunit pe. Gunita. Sige. Imong short, iisa kay mabasa ha. Isa imong short.
Buramon.
Kasi buramon.
Hala, buramon mo. Why is that? Aduh ko, alam mo, ikaw, nagstay.
Alright, we're saying goodbye now and we're gonna find another fishing spot. Move
Deeper
on.
water.
Yep,
It's not
deeper
bad here,
water.
but the big fish aren't here right now. It's too hot and sunny.
Alright, goodbye
Yep.
guys.
In the evening, it might be getting towards dark. It'll probably be a little feeding frenzy down here on all the minnows that are here. Yep.
Alright, bye everybody.
Bye
Catch
for
you
now.
later. See ya. God bless.
Uh,
Bye Momo.
Bye.
Show your guapo face. Alright, bye.
There's nowhere to move.
God bless everyone.